For my procedure, I decided to see Dr. Eli Akbari. She is a facial plastic surgeon based out of West Vancouver. I chose Dr. Akbari for my procedures rather than anyone else because firstly, she's a facial plastic surgeon, so she's obviously very educated and knowledgeable in what she does. And also, I did research some of her work online, and it's very natural looking, so you can't really tell that the person has had work done. It's just a very natural look that I really liked. I decided to get this procedure done now because I am getting older, and I definitely want to get rid of some of the wrinkles in the forehead, and also for the preventative aspect of it as well. And I feel like I have a round face, so I want more of an oval shaped and just to give my face some more definition. The only fear I would have is I'm just a little bit worried about the pain. I've never had filler or Botox or been poked in my face at all before, so just a little bit anxious about that, but I know I'm in good hands. Dr. Akbari is obviously very experienced, and she's made me feel really comfortable and at ease, and she has mentioned that she will numb my face before starting.
Welcome to Monarch MD. My name is Dr. Eli Akbari and I'm a facial plastic surgeon. My patient and I just had our consultation process and went over her goals. Her main goal is to look more refreshed and less tired, but also to prevent lines from forming in the forehead and the frown area. That's a very common area of treatment for younger women. So for treatment for the prevention of the lines, we're going to use Botox in the forehead area for you, as well as the glabella and the crow's feet. In terms of filler, in order to address the dark under eye circles, we'll be addressing your cheeks first and then filling the tear troughs. And she also desires a more defined jawline, so we'll be treating the jawline as well as the chin. Why don't we get started?
Great. So I'm all finished my treatment. The experience was really good. After my consultation, they sat me down on the chair. They started with the numbing, and everything was prepped and ready to go. And as for the injections, Dr. Akbari was really good, really supportive, kept asking me how I was feeling throughout. She used the technique of like the 3-2-1 poke, so I knew when to expect the poke, and I had some stress balls, and it was really good. My face feels pretty good right now, a little bit warm. I definitely feel the filler in my chin area a little bit. It feels like a little bit tight, I guess. Overall, the face feels a little bit tight. That's about it. When I looked in the mirror after the treatment, it felt really good. Right off the bat, I definitely noticed more definition in my chin area and in the cheek area. Feels really good. So far, I think the results are great. I'm definitely noticing more of a point to your chin, and I noticed that my cheekbones are showing a bit more, and I feel a lot more youthful. The under eye, the dark circles are gone, so I was really happy about that. For anyone looking to get any sort of treatment, I would say definitely go for it. It was such a positive experience for me, and I'm really glad that I did it. I would say if you're feeling nervous or anxious or you're scared of needles, it's really easy to go through. The pain is minimal. I would definitely say go for it. My recovery was really good. It was my first time getting filler or anything done on my face, so I obviously did feel it in certain areas, but overall there was minimal pain, so it was really good recovery. I actually went to work the next day, so no downtime. Since it was my first time getting the filler, I was concerned about the chin area. It was a little bit red and tender, but I spoke to Dr. Akbari, and she reassured me that that was completely normal, and she did assess my face, and it did go down each day after that. My follow-up with Dr. Akbari was great. The clinical nurse actually messaged me the same night and the next day as well. She did call me, and Dr. Akbari was reaching out over the phone as well, constantly asking how I was doing, how I was feeling, and it was really good. And then after 2 weeks' time, I met with Dr. Akbari in person, and we went over everything. She assessed my face again, and everything was great. The biggest change I've noticed in my face is just a lot more structure in my jawline and overall just a youthful look. I got the under eye filler, which I'm super happy with, and it's definitely a lot brighter and just a youthful, nice, fresh look. My family and friends love my new face. They are constantly saying I look younger, my skin just looks fresher and brighter, but they're not able to really tell that like I've had a lot of work done or any work done. It's just very natural and subtle, which I'm really happy with. I'm really happy I chose Monarch MD and Dr. Akbari. She's very knowledgeable, very professional. She's a facial plastic surgeon, and just right off the bat in my initial consultation, she was really interested in getting to know what my areas of concern were and my story before she gave me her feedback. So I found that really comfortable, and I'm just really happy with the whole experience.
Welcome back to Monarch MD. My name is Dr. Eli Akbari and I'm a facial plastic surgeon. My patient and I just had our follow-up session together and going over her before and after pictures. So how was your journey, Jazz?
I'm so happy with my results. You did an excellent job. I'm super happy that I came to see you. Some areas of concern were definitely the under eye for me, as well as the chin, and I'm super happy with the results. I have a youthful, fresh face, so thank you so much.
Oh, thank you. I agree with you. When I look around your face, when I was putting your before and after pictures together, I really noticed the under eye area. You're a beautiful canvas to begin with, gorgeous eyes, beautiful cheeks, and I think just camouflaging and making that look smoother, and I think you just require less makeup. Honestly, I think you look exactly like you. It's just a little bit more refreshed, which I love the natural result as well.
That's exactly what I wanted, so thank you so much.
Thanks for trusting your face to me, because I know it was the first time you had any procedures done and you were contemplating it for a long time, so I really don't take your trust and confidence in me for granted, so I really appreciate it.
Thank you.